guys, welcome back to our videos. Today we are at Pontsarn Lane Level Crossing on the 2nd of October 2019. I'm excited to see what trains are going to be coming through in this video. So let's see what's going to come. Passing through now is the first train of this video. We're going to have a Y175 on the one whiskey Teenside delay 1604. Transport for Wales service from Swansea to Chester. $175 to Chester. Okay, passing through now, we are the 1613 or Bravo 67 Transport for Wales service from Gloucester to Fishguard Harbour. And I'll keep recording because we're down for the 1613, expected to pass 1612. 176 Great Western Railway service from Swansea to London Paddington. To London Paddington. Okay, passing through now is the final train of this video. We got the 261 side delayed 1627 Transport for Wales service from Cardiff Central to Maesteg. Oh my gosh, another white one! What is happening? Oh my gosh. Two again. Oh, that was from that was on the one whiskey 18 from Swansea to Cardiff Central. Oh, it got cancelled between Cardiff Central and Chester for some reason. Don't know why. Off it goes over there. So as that train goes by, thank you all so much for watching my video from Pontsarn Lane Level Crossing. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Peace out.